Hi there, this is Nat Board. I'm the Chief Strategy Officer at Halcyon. Welcome. Today I'm going to tell you a little bit about our controls we introduced to our Alerts Preferences Manager. Thank you to all of you who've signed up already to receive alerts from us. We've been rolling out a lot of functionality that I want to make you aware of, and I want to make sure that you have the ability to go in and customize what you're receiving from us so that it's the most meaningful to you and also the most useful. First thing to do is to go and log in. I'm going to go ahead and log in here. I use a sign in with Google. Some of you will be using a password. Go ahead, get yourself logged in, and it should take you right to a landing page where you can set up alerts. Now, I've got loads of these things, but I've gone ahead for the purposes of this demo, deleted all of them, and I'm going to start fresh. And here's what they look like. First of all, there's a subject line, Halcyon Alerts. I'm going to come back to that because the first thing I want to do is to go in this case, start pulling different publishers. We say publisher, that's going to be a PUC, a PSC, a corporation commission, anything like that. And I'm going to go ahead and create an alert for those. I want to get this daily in this case, and I want to make sure to get an alert in this case when there are no new documents, when nothing has happened. Let's create that as one kind of alert. Let's set up another alert though. And let's go ahead and do just a single publisher. In this case, I only want to get the state of California. And in this case, I want to specify in that alerts line, the subject line, California. I want to make sure that I know what I'm getting. I want to get it daily. But in this case, actually, I don't want daily. I want every weekday. And I'm going to go ahead and create that alert. I'm going to do another kind of alert here, which is a look at specific topics. I want to go and do data centers. I want to get them from everybody. I want to make sure to specify data centers. And in this case, I want to get them only on the weekday. When there's no new alerts, no new documents rather, I don't want to get an alert. And then I got a final one for us, which is that I want to go ahead and I want to do something that is a topic, but that is specific to a couple of different markets. In this case, I'm going to do wildfire. I'm going to do Colorado, California, and Washington. I'm going to go up here and say wildfires in the West, because I want to specify where I'm doing that. And I want to make sure to get these just on the weekdays. I'm going to go ahead and create that alert. And now what I've got are four sort of different ways of looking at what we can get from Halcyon. One, you get the fire hose. That's absolutely everything. Everything we publish every day from everyone. The next one is drilled into a state. So I do just the state of California, and I want it only the weekends. Another, it is an alert that's sort of a horizontal, topical idea, data centers, looking across everything that Halcyon is capturing. And then a final one is a sort of horizontal and vertical cross. I want to look at one particular topic, wildfires, but I want to look at them in specific markets or specific jurisdictions. And in this case, I picked just some states in the US West. A final thing you can do with all of these is, let's say that you're on a topic that's hot for you for right now, but it turns out that it's a little bit quiet over a period of time and it's not something you're focusing on. You can mute that alert. You can disable it for now. It hasn't been deleted. You can just turn it on again whenever you find that it's most relevant. This is a good way to make sure that you save your work, so to speak, and are able to come back to it when you need it. So that's a quick look at all the different capability that we've got coming up. But I want to end with a couple of other things for you. First is that I want you to give this a try, because there's a lot of specification in here that we know will add a lot of value. Second is, if you've got additional topics or publishers that you'd like us to add, let us know. Just email us feedback@halcyon.eco and we'll take a look for you. And finally, we're going to be back next week with another video that walks through the anatomy of our email alerts, as well as our new docket profile page, which is a new view we're introducing. It's going to make it a little bit easier to see everything that's important happening within a specific docket, in a specific page. You're going to get that video like this one through our weekly alerts roundup email on Friday. Make sure to keep an eye out. And if you were not signed up for our weekly email alert on Fridays, you definitely should. So thank you again for everybody who's been following along and been on this journey with us. Thank you for whoever has signed up already and whoever is watching this anew and is going to sign up. And we look forward to being in touch with you and working with you in the future. Thank you.